Today I'm going to show you how to use the 4 projectile motion equations to solve exam style questions. Consider a golfer who hits the ball at 50 meters per second at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal. The first thing I like to do is draw an XY scale or axes over the top of the diagram. So I do that. And then I resolve the initial velocity into its horizontal and vertical components. Now the first question asks us to find the time at which the height of the ball reaches 15 meters for the first time. So we can use the vertical position formula, plug in our information and solve for the time. Now this one's a bit tricky because we get a quadratic equation. That means we have to use the quadratic formula. And using the quadratic formula, we always get 2 answers. So the first answer of 0.69 seconds is when the ball is on the way up. Second answer of 4.41 seconds is when the ball is on the way down. Question B asks us to find the maximum height of the ball. Maximum height of the ball occurs when the vertical velocity is equal to 0, so we can use the vertical velocity formula and find the time at which the vertical velocity is equal to 0, which is the time of the maximum height, which is 2.55 seconds. Then using the vertical position formula, we can sub in 2.55 seconds and we get a maximum height of 31.9 meters. Now the third question asks us to find how far from the golfer does the ball land. Okay, so the vertical position when the ball lands is equal to 0, so we can use the vertical position formula to solve for the time. This is a bit easier to solve because we can take out a common factor of t. We still get 2 answers, t equals 0 or t equals 25 on 4.9, which is about 5.1 seconds. Then we can use the horizontal position formula, sub in 5.1 seconds, and we get 220.9 meters. Now the last question asks us to find the height of the ball when the horizontal distance is equal to 200 meters. So we can use the x position formula to find the time at which the horizontal distance equals 200 meters. So we find that 4.62 seconds. Then the vertical position formula, or the y position formula, sub in the time, and that gives us the height of 10.94 meters. For more free resources, go to www.physicseducation.com.au. You can practice your skills by searching our question database or taking one of our quizzes. And if you get stuck, you can ask me a question on the No Sign Up Required discussion board. I look forward to hearing from you, and goodbye for now.